guys went where? So daddy and the boy went to, right? You guys went where? Daddy and the boy went to Mama. Guys, it's good that my boy sent this boy out. At least I was able to do what I want to do. So they just came right now, and he's going to buy few fruits, like few ingredients, our baby fruits, and also milk and egg. And he ended up buying this huge plenty stuff. He ended up buying plenty groceries. Can you imagine? See, he's an extra man. I've been saying this. See, so we have here, what is this? Smoked turkey, right? Smoked turkey, oranges, strawberry, banana, avocado, chicken over there, more banana, and not for the eggs, Papa. Sorry. That's okay. And apples. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You didn't finish your milk? Okay, you said you didn't even take. Oh, okay. Eja, you went to Walmart? Really? Oh, can't I see it? Oh, okay. You and Daddy went and shop plenty things. We needed few things, and Daddy ended up shopping. Banana. You want to eat banana? Kelly? Wow. And Daddy bought books too. Show us. No, I will get it for you, okay? I'll make banana puree right now for you. I should make it right now. What happened, Kelly? He's taking something that is edible. This boy is saying, once I was Jai, let's see where Jai talking there one and him, and I'm taking. Okay. So I'm coming to make his food right now, like puree, and also pack the things in the fridge. I'm so glad at least we have enough groceries. We have made Daddy back up. So Daddy was just buying books. Kelly? Wow.
Don't do that.
We have to get this sugar. And this guy likes to scatter it for me. Look at him. Look at him. See where he has put the sugar.
It's okay, Kayla.
I didn't went and bought. This my husband went and bought plenty notebooks.
Okay? Come and take your book. Come and take your book for daycare. Now.
We went there the other time and they were happy seeing him. He's so big, like, I think this boy want banana. You want to eat banana? So guys, I want to wash this puree. I want to wash it. That's the one my husband bought from the store because the baby was hungry, so he bought this one and gave him one. So I'll wash this one, put it in the fridge, and also wash these fruits that we have here. Plenty. In fact, my boy loves fruits. He loves fruits a lot, so we are so happy and glad that he loves it. Yeah, okay. The one that I'm looking for is this particular two. Pear and peach and plum. They said those things help the baby to poop. It helps his digestion. So we always buy those things. So this is peach, apples, pear, orange, avocados, oranges, avocados, pears, whatever, banana. Goodness. And then strawberry. I have, so these are the fruits my husband got. This one, I want to wash this one. I'll wash it before. So the last time we bought plenty groceries, that's for our first time shopping. I came and washed all the fruit, vegetables that I needed. So now this is the leftover of those things that I washed. I still have some apples and this. So these are the apples left and strawberry. Yeah, so I'm come to steam this. So I will steam this apple. I will steam this one and blend it with the banana. I will show you guys when I'm doing that. I normally use salt to wash my things. My meat, my vegetables, my fruits. Yeah, I use salt. Sometimes if I have vinegar, I use vinegar or lime. Yeah, for the meat I use lemon and salt. For the fruits and vegetables I use salt. Okay, so we are here together, right? So this thing will be, this is pear, okay? So I'll wash it, put it in the fridge, then to dry. So let me get the basket. Hey, hey. Be careful.
Yes, down.
I think that I didn't sorry.
What's the number?
I want to. So I'll just cut these things and then talk to you guys later. I have to prepare food for my boy. So see you guys in my next. Guys, I'm done steaming my boiled fruit. I want to blend it. I'm adding one thing to it. This is it. So this is the thing I'm adding. Chicken breast. So this is apple, steamed apple, banana, strawberry. So I'll just add the banana to it, add the apple. Yeah, it's too much. Add the chicken.
Oh. Nice love.
Food is love.
I know what.
Because I am not too much now. I also did smoothie for my husband and I, so that when they did the blueberry, no. I don't know why that thing. What blended said the crust and blended. Blueberry now toying.
Yeah, I bought the blueberry.
Forgot it.
Hey, so yeah, then I took it and said I'm not going to buy
it. Say hi, guys.
In a quarter mile, make a U-turn at Indian School Road Northeast.
I forgot to just take.
Make a U-turn at Indian School, then your destination will be on the right.
It's over there. So how are you going to turn? You enter that side. Yeah, baby. It's okay. It's okay, man. It's okay.
Good.